Hi everyone. Today let's dive into the delicious world of Bangladeshi Pithas. These traditional sweet and savory delicacies are more than just food. They are a celebration of culture and heritage. Made with simple ingredients like rice flour, coconut, jaggery and milk. Pitas come in many varieties like Patishapta, Bhapa, and Chitoi, each with its unique flavor and texture. Whether enjoyed during winter festival or family gatherings, they bring warmth and sweetnesses to every occasion. Stay tuned as I explore their rich history and show you how to make one of these timeless treats at home.